Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nik Muhammad Nasrul 223122 and alongside with my friends Nik Shah Isfahan 223146.
Hi everyone. Okay, so today our vlog topic will be about food waste, and our place of choice is Mahalah Biruni Cafe. And also, friend, our vlog topic today will consist of sources on how food wasting is happening, solution on how to prevent it from happening, and also effect if we don't prevent it from happening as fast as we could.
Okay guys, before I proceed further into our issue today, I want to ask you guys something. Do you actually know what food waste is? I bet you don't. So that's why we are here today, to give awareness about it, to explain it to you guys. So basically, food waste is a type of action where a person throws away his or her food without even finishing it in the first place. Do you actually know? Approximately 2.5 billion tons of food are wasted each year. That's a huge number indeed. So, as a YCFS student, we must take action and try to figure out what are the causes that led to this issue to prevent it in the future.
Assalamualaikum and hi guys. So today I'll be explaining about my part, which is the causes on how food wasting is happening here in CFS. Okay, so basically there are two important points that I want to highlight here. Okay, the first one is students tend to buy too many food and yet they can't even manage to finish it in the first place. Okay, if they keep doing this, it will leave some bad effect, not just to the environment but to the CFS community itself.
As you can see here, there are too many food that were ordered by the students here in Mahalah Biruni Cafe.
Okay, my second point is I want to talk about some student behavior where they throw away their food that they didn't quite like. In my opinion, that is not the way to treat your food. Rather, you can give it to someone else, for example, your friend or roommates, and even better, you can give it to the cat around the CFS because they seem to be hungry all the time. Okay, so I think that's all for my part. So let's proceed with Nik Nasrullah part. Thank you very much.
So let's move on to the next part. Why food wastage is not the greatest issue in environmental issue. It is still a crucial need for humans to find a possible ways to avoid this from happening. So these are my suggestions.
Okay, first make a list. One of the easiest way to reduce wastage is shop smart. Plan your grocery shopping on a weekly or monthly basis. Then prepare and stick to a shopping list that has only what you need. This bulk shopping routine will not only help you save money but allow you to control your purchase. For example, when you go to shopping to the supermarket, you need to bring your grocery list and you only choose what you need. So it will refrain you from buying something that you don't need, which is contributing to food waste. Okay, second one is plan ahead. Speaking of food consumption, food prepping is another way to say goodbye to food waste. Always plan wisely in managing your week meal so that you don't contribute to a waste. Besides, it also helps you on your diet routine as you will always set on your food consumption list. So for anyone who need to diet, remember to plan ahead. Okay, the third one is keep your serving size in check. What I mean by keep your serving size in check is overeating. Overeating is a problem for many people. Making sure your portion size stay within a healthy range doesn't just help keep your weight down, it also reduces food waste. Why? You may not think twice about scraping the leftover food on your plate. into the trash can. Remember that food waste has a major impact on environment, and it is everyone's responsibility to take care of the environment. Okay, first one is environmental effect. What comes in mind when we talk about impact of food waste? Of course, it is about its effect on our environment. Wasted food isn't just a social or humanitarian concern, it is an environmental one. When we waste food, we also waste all the energy and water it takes to grow, harvest, transport and package it. And if food goes to the landfill and roads, it produces methane, a greenhouse gas even more potent than carbon dioxide.
Relate to the issue that we talked about. Now here, I am at Cafe Mahalah Biruni. As you can see here, this is an example of food wastage here at Mahalah Cafe Biruni.
Okay, move on to the next one. Waste of food mean waste of money. Food waste not only involve the issue of wasting individual or household for daily expense, but also involve cost to the country. Food that is thrown away need to be processed for disposal. So here are the data collected on this issue. Okay, the third one is effect on hygiene and health. It is because more and more food waste cause landfill site to increase, which mean it encouraging the breeding of animal, which is dangerous, that can spread contagious disease. For example, rats, mosquito, flies, and other animals. In addition to that, it can affect the life of nearby residents.
Okay, so that's all for our vlog today, guys. Thank you for listening. From me, Nik Syed Isfarhan.
And me, Nick Nasrullah. Thank you and goodbye.